What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Full Nelson Eats a Lot. I'm your host that eats the most. It's your boy Full Nelson. As you may know, I recently did a review on the Pepperoni Pizzone, the legendary pizza item from Pizza Hut that is finally back in stores after a long time of not being here. And I did promise y'all, if there was a flavor, there's 3 flavors of the Pizzone. I promised if there were 3 flavors and I already did the pepperoni, then I would leave it up to the subscribers to decide which flavor I would do next. And overwhelmingly, people commented and said that they wanted to see the Supreme Pizzone. So I'm a man of the people. I'm the people's champ. I give the people what they want. You guys said Supremo, so we're gonna do the Supremo Pizzone food review for y'all today. Boom! Welcome back to the channel and thanks for being here. Let me give you guys a close-up of the Pizzone. They put it for me in a big box like this. I guess they ran out of the other ones. So let's take a closer look so you can see this Pizzone. Ooh wee, there we got our Pizzone right there, looking really nice. I got 2 of them. I'm only gonna be reviewing 1 of them though. This thing looks good. Let's go ahead and pull it apart. Way easier. Oh my goodness, look at that. Way easier to pull than the pepperoni one. You can see in the Supreme they've got the Italian sausage, the cheese, the green peppers, the red onions. Ooh wee. Nice. Oh my gosh. You guys know I cannot resist something that looks this delish, so let's just go ahead and take a bite. Mmm. Mmm. Wow. Supreme, all the way. That thing is steaming. Steaming, piping hot. I did get a cup of marinara and a cup of ranch. And on the last video, a lot of people said they needed to see me dunk it. So guess what? I'm inviting you to Dunk City, baby. Boom! Supreme Pizzone right here. Mmm, those flavors, y'all. Ooh. 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 Let it drip, baby. Let it drip. Mmm. Let's go. Mmm. Wow. Seriously, y'all. Wow. This is a little closer to that original Pizzone that I know and love. Mmm. All that meat. That signature Pizza Hut Italian sausage flavor. Let me go ahead and bring y'all in for the marinara dunk. It's dunk time, baby. Boom! Oof. Marinara, meat pizzone. Pizzone, meet that marinara. Boom. Ooh. Wow. Ooh. Mmm. Mmm. Amazing. This is everything that I loved about the pepperoni pizzone. The portability. But then it upgraded it. And it gave me something that I never thought was possible. Which is, it gave me flashbacks to that OG pizzone that we know and love. Because that signature Italian sausage from Pizza Hut, it has those little ingredients in there that you cannot tell me it's from another pizza restaurant. That alone gives you the flashbacks because Pizza Hut's the only one with that type of Italian sausage. Pepperoni, a little generic. Pepperoni's gonna taste like pepperoni at the other joints. But the Italian sausage that they use in this, undeniably Pizza Hut. You got the red onion, which adds a really nice slight crunch, texture, and some flavor. So the texture, the crunch, and the flavor really make this thing pop. And then you get your green peppers. Oh. It's almost as if the Italian sausage and the peppers and the red onions, because it's meats and vegetables, it's almost like the juices bake out of it and they get incorporated with the dough, and it gives it a little bit of a moist flavor on the inside but a nice crisp on the outside. So this is a real winner for me because this tastes like, ooh, words can't even describe. It tastes like memories. Mm. Mm. Now I'm not gonna lie, I think it could use a little more cheese. But as far as the onions, the peppers, and the meat go, they really packed that thing up and stuffed it a lot more than the pepperoni one was stuffed. Really liked it. It's those ingredients that make this undeniably Pizza Hut, and it's for that fact that I think this is really, really good. Without even trying the third flavor, the meaty pizzone, I think this might be my favorite. It's just so good. Tastes like Pizza Hut, smells like Pizza Hut. It is Pizza Hut. Mm. One thing I miss, a lot of people brought this up, the crust on the original pizzone. It was nothing like this. Nothing like it. Yes, it was baked and it was folded over into half crescent moon. But otherwise, they used entirely different dough. They used to butter up the outside and sprinkle on some Parmesan. This is one thing that my pizzone is missing, I will tell you. What happened to the melted cheese on top? I don't know if the Supreme just doesn't come with that, and that's only for the pepperoni one that I had, or maybe they were having an off day. but I'm gonna have to deduct some points for that. But since in my heart I know it's supposed to come with it, it can't be too harsh. Really good stuff. Great price. $5.99 gets you Italian sausage, red onions, and green peppers. That's what you're gonna get for $5.99. A 3-topping pizzone. And then of course cheese, which I don't consider cheese a topping. Do you guys think cheese is a topping? Or if it's a pizza, it's supposed to come with it? Let me know in the comments below. That's it for my review of the Supremo Pizzone from Pizza Hut. Thanks for watching, y'all. I appreciate you joining. If you like this video, do me a huge favor. Smash that like button. Let YouTube know I'm doing a good job. And if this is your first time here and you like seeing brand new food reviews, learning how to save money at your favorite restaurant, and discovering new flavors, maybe think about subscribing. I drop new videos every single week. And tap that bell so you don't miss a thing. I'll see you guys on the next one. I had a lot of fun.
My guys, they got my back, we booming and you don't do that, so see your way out. Follow me on Instagram at Full Nelson Eats. You might like what you see, you might want to put it in your mouth. Talking about that meat, ha, talking about that food pick, dog, but you think disgustingly. But I ain't gonna really think about that, I ain't got no time to waste, so I'm trying to get a bag. Talking about that bag of money, not that bag of chips that you always be with on the couch, looking real bummy.